Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really happy to be able to share with you the brand new H la Cosedora HBox in collaboration with a Colombian artist called Ledania. It'll be available August 25th starting at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, the HBox comes beautifully packaged. It has a sleeve designed with the theme and a beautiful box. Let's open it together and see what's inside. These are the items you'll receive in your HBox. Let's take a closer look. A colorful sticker sheet designed by the artist and inspired by her travels. A collectible mini stamping plate and scraper card exclusively available in the HBox. And the last gift or collector's item you receive is this colorful pin. These are the 5 new stamping polishes that you receive in the new packaging, this adorable little box that says H la Cosedora and stamping nail polish on the outside. These bright and colorful shades all have names inspired by Ledania's travels. Let's start with the pink one called El Nido. Next up we have Coyhaique. The orange is Arab Street. Next up we have Bali. And lastly we have Kyoto. Which one of these was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And now for the main event, we have the stamping plate. It comes in a beautiful sleeve with the H la Cosedora logo on the outside. On the back, we have instructions on how to use the plate and how to take care of it. Since it's acrylic, they recommend using a non-acetone nail polish remover to clean your plate. Let's take a closer look at the beautiful images on this stamping plate. These were all designed by the artist and are such unique images. The possibilities of creating beautiful nail art designs are endless. You can use my discount code JENNY10 to receive 10% off your order on hlacosedora.com. I'll have my affiliate link in the description box below. I also wanted to remind you that if you purchase the HBox, you get free shipping. And of course, as always, the back of the stamping plate is a work of art. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed seeing what's inside the H la Cosedora Ledania HBox. A big thank you to H la Cosedora and the entire team for this beautiful box. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Have a wonderful day. Bye!